Looks like Dollar Tree is gearing up for Valentine's Day and Easter. Let's go shopping. So, full disclaimer, I just took my Christmas trees down last week, but I walked into Dollar Tree for a few things and could not believe my eyes. Not only do they have the Valentine stuff hitting the shelves, but they have Easter and spring items. So we're going to start off with what I would want to see, which is all the new spring and Easter items, and then we'll make our way through all the Valentine stuff as well. I'm so surprised that they are continuing to put out these leaning signs for the front entry area for $5. Love that one in the bee theme. Now for Easter, they have a lot of signs out already. I don't know. What do you think? Are they trying to put DIYers out of business by putting this stuff out at more affordable prices than you can make it for? Some of these signs are just incredible for $3. Oh my goodness. I cannot even imagine buying the beads, the bunnies, or the frame for that. They also have out their little trucks for Easter. So I'm finding white and blue and pink and yellow. Lots of different little spring items in the back of them. They're also putting out these little $3 gnomes. I think they had these last year. They come in a few different colors. And these larger signs up here that are $3. I just cannot believe that. They are already painted. They're a wood cutout. I'm finding the 3 different colors, pink, green, and blue. Now it's early in the season, so I'm sure we'll be back for more, but they are definitely getting really good at following trends. Now I feel like this wreath for $5 is something we would see for much more at places like Hobby Lobby and Michael's. What do you guys think? What would you add to this? Maybe just a little greenery or a bow. They also have a really nice grapevine bunny. Now that one I believe is $5, but I cannot believe that these signs are $3. These are definitely dupes for anything you would find at Hobby Lobby. You cannot beat these prices. I love these little standing ring decor. They have a few different to choose from and they're $5 a piece, which I still think is an amazing buy. Also for $5, they have some standing bunnies. Cannot believe that. They also have this large standing carrot tabletop decor. I think that one's $3. They have these cathedral signs and these metal pieces. I love that little chick for $3, and these eggs that are beautiful, definitely giving a Michael's Hobby Lobby feel. They have some tabletop decor. I believe that we saw these last year for $3 and the large wooden egg for $5. Such a good price. They also have lots of bunnies to choose from. Some in flocked, some that are sisal. They have the large rolls of mesh and a few bunnies in beautiful colors in metal for $3. They're also putting out some higher end looking ribbon for $3. Now let's transition over to take a look at some of the stuff they are putting out for Valentine's Day. Now I was so surprised that this store actually had way more out for Easter and spring than Valentine's Day. It looked like they were just starting to stock, so they have some signs, $3 for those. They have standing Valentine gnomes. I'm not a gnome fan, but these are pretty darn cute, especially at the price point of $5 a piece. They have some sitting gnomes as well to choose from. Those are a little smaller and they are only $3 a piece. And down below, what do you know? I found some more gnomes. Now they have the trucks back and they're for Valentine's Day for $5 in pink and red. This is an incredible buy. I would definitely pick this up if I was looking for a door hanger for $5. You cannot beat it. It is a wood heart. They also have some standing signs, a few different ones to choose from, a few that are done for you and some that you could DIY yourself. They also have the oversized dice out for Valentine's Day in a few different color schemes and lots of signs. So we are going to look at a lot of the signs. I will forewarn you, I ran in this store at night just looking for something and had to come back, and some of these things were already gone. So you will notice that I have 2 different filming versions, like here where I'm filming vertically because my phone was dead. Now these are really cute vertical heart signs in a donut theme. I think that this is adorable, especially for $1.25. They also have lots of signs that you could decorate with year round. I love these that are neutral. They also have one in Kissing Booth, and the truck has not left us quite yet. They also have some corrugated metal options and some fun signs with keys, which I think are really cute. A few that are much younger feel with characters on them. Now, I will admit, in years past, I have gone all out for Valentine's Day and kept my red around from Christmas. And this year, I'm feeling like doing something a little bit different. What about you? Are you decorating for Valentine's Day? Do you do just a little bit and jump right into spring? Comment down below and let me know. They are also putting out some really cute garden stakes for Valentine's Day in the gnomes and in hearts. And I tend to really like red and black for Valentine's Day, but I am finding a lot of pink. They also did some tinsel style gnomes, and I love that they're doing more round signs. I think that's very on trend with some of the higher end retailers. Now, of course, they have their vertical signs and so many hearts, as well as the mason jars, and the envelopes that they did last year are back again. What about you? What is your favorite look for Valentine's Day? Are you a pink or are you a red person? They have plenty to choose from, including these kissing booth signs. They also have lots of tabletop decor I want to share with you guys, starting with these little signs that I think have a really fun, young feel to them. They have brought back a few things like the picture frames on top, the Be Mine and My Love signs with the hearts on top. Those, I believe, came out last year or the year before. I remember seeing them all and sharing them with you, but there are some great new things in their crafters section, some metal envelopes, some metal pieces for DIY like cupcakes and lips and a metal envelope. I think that these are great buys for $1.25. And so are their wooden pieces. They have home and a few versions of love and some hugs and kisses. Those are great pieces for DIY. They're also putting out some ribbon at $1.25. I think this one in the truck will sell quickly. And they brought back their vertical signs, but these are houses for Valentine's Day. And they give you tons of wooden options to decorate with, including these heart signs and some wooden pieces I've never seen before. So the hearts are great, but they also have these with sort of a slat in the bottom. How would you use that? Comment down below and let me know. I'm a little lost when it comes to that. Now they're putting out a whole pet themed section just in time for Valentine's Day, much like Target Dollar Spot has. They have some tabletop signs to choose from in both cat and dog, and lots of hanging options. Now guys, I am so excited about what Crafter Square is doing. They're putting out some amazing new finds in their DIY section. These are things that I would see at Hobby Lobby for so much more. I cannot believe some of the things that they're able to put out for just $1.25. So many house signs and different options for DIYing your own signs. I am loving this. Have you seen this in your store? Let me know. Comment down below. I love that they did so many neutral items so that you can DIY things for use year-round, and these live edge wood pieces are just amazing. Now they are also putting out Easter DIY items, so once there's more, we'll be back. Thank you so much for coming with me to Dollar Tree, and I'll see you back very soon.